Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn how you can add size chart on Shopify. So first thing that you should do here is you just have to log into your Shopify store. All right. And then after that, you just have to edit your store. Okay, so let us customize our store. And then right here on the product sections at the top, make sure to add your products. All right. And then after customizing your store, you would be able to see here now your product. And as you can see, we don't have a size chart for this one. So I will be showing you two different methods on how you can do that. So let's go back here to the product section. So after adding the title of your product, the description, and the media, okay. So right here, when you scroll down, you have this size option. So tap on it. All right. You can add here different entries for your size chart. But this info is not enough for customers to know the correct and the right size for them. So what we are going to do here under the media, we are going to add another media. All right. And then let us select from our computer. Okay, so tap on the add media option and then upload your size chart. So select and tap on the open option. That's right. And then once the image is uploaded, you just have to tap on the done option. And then you'd be able to see that now right here and then tap on the save option at the top. And when we go back to our store, okay, so let's just wait for a couple of seconds and then let us refresh this section. So when your customer visits your store, then they'll be able to see here now the image of your product as well as the size chart. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped to solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.